Well, thank you so much. My name is Job Nyangenya. I'm from Bwomanga Church constituency residing in Arlington, Texas. I'm going back to the great Republic of Kenya, visiting my constituency, and I'll be having a series of events from 11th to 17th. On 11th, I'll be having a fundraising at the Gitenga SDA Church, and I'll be accompanied by a couple of friends, and I'm inviting my friends to join me too. On Sunday, I'll be having the pleasure and opportunity to meet with young people from Bwomanga Church at Tendere Fonmark Hotel, where we will be discussing some of the issues and the experiences each and every person has from wherever he or she is. On Monday, I'll be joined with other community leaders and a Bindia fraternity at 3 secondary schools in the Machogabas ward, which is in the Bwomanga Church constituency, where we'll be giving out computers to Nyataro Secondary School at 9 in the morning. Then we will go to Gakero SDA Secondary School at 12 noon, and we will end at Nyangenya Secondary School at 3 p.m. On Tuesday, we will be at Marwa Dispensary, where we will be giving out digital blood pressure machines, and we will be doing blood pressure screening to people who will attend. The area MCA, Mr. Shem Mundara, has organized with one of the eye clinic doctors to come and do free eye screening. On Thursday, we will be at Omorembe Healthy Center, where we will be giving out digital blood pressure machines, and we will be doing blood pressure screening. On Friday, the 17th, we'll be having a grand fundraising at Mogi Dispensary. Right now, as I'm talking, 5 sitting members of parliament have confirmed to attend this fundraising, including the South Mugrango Member of Parliament, Honorable Mason Nyangenya Oyongo, the Kisii Women Representative, Honorable Sario Tara, Nyaribari Chache Member of Parliament, Honorable Richard Tongi, Nyaribari Masaba Member of Parliament, Honorable Erech Muindi, and Bwomanga Church Member of Parliament, Honorable Simon Ugari. The Kisii County Speaker, Honorable Kerosion Dieki, has also confirmed that he will lead the delegation of members of County Assembly from Kisii to this important function. The teacher fraternity will also be there, and the Kenya National Union of Teachers, very good friends of ours, will be led by Mutumishi Chofre Mugire. We'll be having a delegation of more than 40 people from United States who will also be in this function. I welcome you all to this function as we give back to the community. It is indeed a blessing. Thank you so much.